spine, so come over.
We will.
Okay, I'm going. Ready?
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Good. This is very important because this is what helps correct the lack of curve in your neck. Nowadays, people are looking down 200 times a day. Your curve is actually starting to reverse. So this is the best way to create space within your disc and your vertebrae and to restore that curve in your neck. It focuses on the neck, but it tractions all the way down into your lumbar spine.
Sweet. Okay.
Okay.